Welcome everyone to the channel. Today we're going to explore something truly exciting and brand new from Honda. The 2026 Honda Auto Rickshaw is here and it's changing the game for urban transportation with futuristic design, advanced technology and user-friendly features. This all-new auto rickshaw from Honda is designed with both drivers and passengers in mind. The exterior features a modern aerodynamic body, LED headlights, sleek curves and a bold look that makes it stand out on busy city roads. Whether you're using it for daily commuting or as a business asset, this rickshaw is built to perform with style and reliability. Under the hood, Honda has powered the 2026 model with a fuel-efficient engine, and there's even an electric variant available, which means it's not just about performance but also about sustainability. The automatic transmission makes city driving smoother and more comfortable. The ride quality is greatly improved thanks to the updated suspension system, which absorbs bumps and rough patches with ease. Passengers will enjoy a more spacious and comfortable seating area with upgraded seats, ample legroom and better airflow. The materials used are durable and easy to clean, making it ideal for regular use. There's even a built-in charging port for phones and gadgets, adding more convenience for both drivers and passengers. Another highlight is the enhanced safety system, which includes strong braking performance, seat belts, a reverse camera and smart locking features. These upgrades help reduce accidents and make daily use much more secure for everyone on board. This rickshaw also scores high when it comes to utility. The rear storage space is larger, allowing for luggage, groceries or delivery items without any issue. The compact turning radius and easy handling make it perfect for navigating tight city streets and traffic jams. With several color options from basic tones to premium finishes, the 2026 Honda Auto Rickshaw gives you freedom to choose your style. It's not just a vehicle, it's a statement of how transportation is evolving for the better. Best of all, it comes at a competitive price point, making it an affordable option for individual drivers, small business owners and even large fleet operators. Honda's commitment to quality and efficiency is clearly visible in every detail of this rickshaw. If you're someone looking for a next-gen auto rickshaw that delivers comfort, technology, performance and great value, the 2026 Honda Auto Rickshaw should definitely be on your list. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment below. Let us know what you think and stay tuned for more exciting reviews and updates. See you in the next video.